Learning and development. Learning and development in organizational behavior refer to the processes by which individuals acquire new knowledge, skills, and competencies to enhance their performance and adapt to changing work demands. Let us discuss the key points in learning and development. Continuous learning. In today's dynamic and competitive business environment, continuous learning is essential for individuals to stay relevant and effective in their roles. Learning is an ongoing process that occurs through formal training programs, on-the-job experiences, feedback, coaching, and self-directed learning activities. Types of learning. Learning in organizational behavior can take various forms, including formal training sessions, workshops, seminars, e-learning courses, job rotations, cross-functional projects, mentoring relationships, and peer learning networks. Different learning methods cater to diverse learning styles and preferences. Importance of learning and development. Learning and development contribute to individual and organizational success by improving employee skills, knowledge, and performance. They enhance employee engagement, job satisfaction, and retention, while also enabling organizations to adapt to technological advancements, market changes, and competitive pressures. Employee development. Employee development initiatives focus on building employees' capabilities, expanding their skill sets, and preparing them for future roles and responsibilities within the organization. Development opportunities may include leadership development programs, career planning and coaching, succession planning, and talent management initiatives. Organizational support. Organizations play a critical role in facilitating learning and development by providing resources, support, and opportunities for employees to grow and develop. This may involve investing in training and development programs, creating a learning culture that values continuous improvement, and fostering a supportive work environment that encourages knowledge sharing and collaboration. Measuring learning outcomes. Evaluating the effectiveness of learning and development initiatives is essential for assessing their impact and ensuring a return on investment. Common methods of measuring learning outcomes include pre- and post-training assessments, performance evaluations, feedback mechanisms, and metrics such as skills acquisition, job performance improvements, and employee engagement levels. Overall, learning and development are integral components of organizational behavior, contributing to employee engagement, satisfaction, and performance, as well as organizational agility and competitiveness. By prioritizing learning and development initiatives, organizations can empower their employees to thrive in today's dynamic business environment and drive sustainable growth and success.